Wowza Streaming Cloud with ultra-low latency delivers high-quality live video to a massive worldwide audience with a sub-3-second latency. To do this, in a Wowza Streaming Cloud account with ultra-low latency, we'll need to first go under Advanced to create our ultra-low latency stream target. When adding the target, we'll choose Wowza CDN ultra-low latency. We'll name the target ultra low, and for now, just add this stream target with its current defaults. Now that the stream target's been created, we can use the connection code with the free Wowza GoCoder app on a mobile device to stream live video. Just select the cog on the top right corner, choose to connect to Wowza Streaming Cloud, and then add the connection code. Once you're done, start the stream by using the red button. Once the stream started, you can play back the stream using our free Wowza player by selecting Test Player for ultra-low latency targets. Click the play button on the video and see our ultra-low latency service in action with a less than 3-second delay. Now, if you plan to stream from Wowza Streaming Engine or an RTMP encoder, you'll need the primary URL information. In Wowza Streaming Engine, locate your live streaming application, select Stream Target, then add our new ultra-low latency stream target. This will need to be a custom RTMP destination. Just take the primary URL and break it up in order of destination host, destination port, application name, and stream name. For stream target name, we'll use ultra-low, and the source stream name will be your incoming stream. Add your target, and you're ready to go. For an RTMP encoder such as OBS Studio, you can use the custom RTMP option available. Just take the primary URL and this time use the first half for URL and the last half for stream key. There's no need for authentication. That's it. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.